Hey everybody, Dano here. Well, lo and behold, my chainsaw bit the big one today. So after over a decade of using it, I had to go break down and just buy another one. So I wound up with this guy, Bilt. It's a 20-inch bar, 46cc engine. A little bigger than the Poland Pro I used to have, and that was fine. This should be fine. This is basically the biggest thing you can buy until you step up into like a semi-professional grade chainsaw. So now without further ado, let's see what we got here. I should have a knife, but keys work just fine. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll pull it up. Chainsaw. Got accessory packet here. Got the tool for it, that's nice. 2-stroke oil, full synthetic, alright. That looks good. Little insert. Oh. It does not come with a plastic case, but it has a plastic thing for your bar. That's fun, I guess. Let's see. Fill your gas, oil, that's kind of what my Poland Pro was, same thing. Primer over here, get the primer, choke, a spot for an air cleaner it looks like. Let's see. Yeah, nice, that's a nice, almost like a mesh style air filter. Huh. Should work just fine. Let's see. Other than that, pretty basic chainsaw. Didn't really feel like spending a whole heck of a lot of money on it. So this is what I wound up with. Went to Menards for the simple fact that I had a rebate for them. So that's where I went. But there it is. Bilt. 20-inch, 46cc, ready for action. And I am going to put it to use today.